The Mahabharata war was fought in Kurukshetra was the first world war in the world. In addition to the king of whole India, the king of many other countries also participated in the war and all of them got heroism. Millions of women were widowed since this war. Unbroken India became fragmented and becoming the country of polytheism and multiculturalism. The two warriors we are going to compare are incomparable in themselves. The first is Pandavas and Kauravas mentor Guru Drona, and second is Bhishma, the grandfather of Pandava and Kauravas. Let us see who is the best among themselves. This is Time Tales. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Dronacharya. Dronacharya was considered the best teacher of archery. Pandava and Kaurava used to know how to use all kind of weapons. The Kaurava and Pandava were his disciples. Among these 105 brothers, Arjuna was the most beloved disciple, and this is why he taught Arjuna the most. Everything he knew, he just told Arjuna. The reason behind this was not that Dronacharya was biased. The simple reason for this was that none other than Arjuna had those qualities. Bhishma Pitama. It was impossible to kill Bhishma Pitama in any war because he had the boon. After fighting for 10 days, the Pandava also understood that it is impossible to beat Bhishma Pitama. When Sri Krishna saw that Pandava army was in trouble, despite pledging not to take arms, he himself held the wheel for the chariot in hand and ran towards Bhishma Pitama. Seeing Sri Krishna picking up his arms, Bhishma Pitama let down his weapons. Let us see who was powerful, Guru Drona or Pitama Bhishma. Education. Lord Parshurama was the guru of both Guru Drona and Pitama Bhishma. The initial education was received by Guru Drona from his father Maharshi Bharadwaj. Knowledge. While staying in his father's ashram, Guru Drona became adept at the knowledge of 4 Vedas and weapons. Here Bhishma had also the knowledge of all the Vedas and Shastras as well as much experience in politics and economics. Astra. Lord Parshuram donated all his wealth to Brahmins and meditated on Mount Mandrachal. Once Drona reached to him and requested him to donate. Lord Parshuram said, "Vats, you have come late. I have already donated everything to Brahmins. Now I have only weapons left. I can donate them if you want to." This is what Guru Drona wanted. So he said, "Oh Gurudev, I'll be very happy to get your weapons. But you will have to teach me about these weapons." In this way, Guru Drona became the disciple of Bhagwan Parshuram. Pitama Bhishma also had all the important weapons at that time, such as Brahmastra, Brahmashri, Shakti Astra, Nagastra, etc. Boon. Guru Drona had boon that no one could defeat him with weapons in his hand. Here you all know about the gift of Bhishma Pitama, that he had the blessing of death. Here both warriors look equal. Friends, in this war of Mahabharata, both these warriors never meet face to face. You should comment and tell us that if there was a war between these two, then who would have won? Thank you.